Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am giving you some example for solving the equations of two variable by single equation. For example, competition में ये सब questions आते हैं. Number one, that x square minus y square is equal to 47. Without any using any other equation, you have to solve this value of x and y. Second question is the example that a square minus b square is equal to 65. Only single equation is there, two variables a and b you have to solve. Third is x square minus y square is equal to 59. This type of the equations how can be solved without having two at least equation in any case. तो इसको हम देखते हैं कैसे करते हैं. एक ट्रिक होती है इसमें. एक बात नोट कीजिए, these are the number 47, 65 and 59. They are having some special quality. क्या quality है? They can be divided into two parts only, either in one, either in 47 into 1, nothing else. Only one part can be done in this case. 47 into 1. No any other number that can be multiplied will have 47. एक और 47 के अलावा कोई दूसरे अदर नंबर है ही नहीं कि कोई भी इसके प्रोडक्ट को 47 में दो पोर्शन में बांट सकते हैं. 65 में भी दो है, 3 5 हो जाता, 30 इंटू 5 65 और 65 इंटू 1. अदर देन ये कुछ नहीं होता. सेम ओवर हियर 59 इंटू 1. इट मीन्स उसके अलावा कोई नहीं है. इट मीन्स आइदर इट कैन हैव एटलीस्ट टू, एटलीस्ट वन और टू, बस उसके अलावा कोई नंबर नहीं मिलता. ये स्पेशल क्वालिटी होती है. उस केस में कैसे कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज वी नो, फॉर एग्जांपल वन वी आर टेकिंग हियर, ये वाला ले रहे हैं, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 47. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज एक्स प्लस 1 एक्स प्लस वाई इंटू x minus y is equal to 47. Now 47 can be converted only single form. It is 47 into 1. Okay. It means higher product will be equal to this and this will be equal to this, and then we can find the value of x and y. That x plus y can be written as 47. Now x minus y can be written as 1, and then 2 times x is equal to 48. It means x is equal to 24 and hence y will be equal to 47 minus 24. That is 3 and 2, 23. This will be the value x and y. X की वैल्यू हो गई 24 and y is equal to 23. This is the logic. Same logic will be applicable over second one. Question number 2, that is we are given a square minus b square is equal to 65. It will have at least I think two or more numbers. That a plus b into a minus b. That can be written as, first place we can say 30 into 5. Okay, it means addition will be equal to 30 and a minus b is equal to 5. Now 2a will be equal to 18 and a will be equal to 9. Okay, and b will be equal to same, and hence b will be equal to 4. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, second हो सकता है. Second it can be second case when we can second portion of the same question, a plus b is equal to 65 and a minus b is equal to 1. Then we can say that 2a is equal to 66, a will be equal to 33 and b will be equal to 32. This is the answer. Okay, these, it is having two values. Okay, same is a case of third. Question number third. Question number third is equal to x square minus y square is equal to 59. It means x plus y is and to x minus y is equal to 59 into 1. And it means x plus y is equal to 59 and x minus y is equal to 1. It means 2x is equal to 60, x will be equal to 30 and y will be equal to 29. But this is the answer. This is the answer. वेरी इजी बस ट्रिकी. ये आपको याद रखना है. इस केस में हमेशा ऐसा होगा, these product will be of such type. ये जो नंबर होंगे वो इस तरह के होंगे. They can be either be divisible by 1 only or single number, right? Single two numbers, only two pair. One pair of the number will be equal to this. 65 किसी टेबल में नहीं आता, only in 13. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good luck for you, and keep enjoying my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe it. I think. Thanks for watching my video. I think you have liked this. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.